सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार and welcome to our Abhyasa 73. In the previous class, Srinivas, we studied Deepavali and we came to know about the activities that are undertaken on Deepavali, and there is an exercise here based on this Deepavali story, and the students have to answer the questions here. 15 questions are given based on this Deepavali description, and all answers are found in the Deepavali description. So we will write for them. They can also identify for themselves. So show them the page 168 and 169. 169 we are actually. So Rajna Dasharathena Kasmai Vanavasah Kalpitaha Asit. I have already explained in the previous class the questions and their meanings. What was the Rajna Dasharathena Kasmai? So the king Dasharatha, for whom did King Dasharatha allocate the exile? Naturally, he allocated exile for his own son. That is the answer we find here in the book on page 168, third line, continuing into the fourth line. So Rajna Dasharathena Swaputraya Ramaya Kasmai. Kasmai means for whom. Kasmai is an interrogative pronoun coming from the base kim, makaranta kim shabda, and derived in Chaturthi Ekavachana. Rajna Dasharathena Kasmai Vanavasaha Kalpitaha Asit. By King Dasharatha, for whom did Dasharatha specify the exile? For whom did the Dasharatha specify the exile? So the answer goes Raja Dasharatha, or this is in passive actually, passive construction. Rajna Dasharathena Swaputraya Ramaya Vanavasaha Kalpitaha Asit. This sentence is in passive. By King Dasharatha, the exile was allocated by King Dasharatha for his own son Rama. That is the meaning here. So I will write, Srinivas, you just tell me. Or I will holding the book and writing is not possible.
No.
Abhyasa
73.
One.
Yes, one. Answer will be
Rajna answer. We are only writing the answers.
Yes.
Dasharathena Swaputraya Ramaya. So do we need to write all these? In the next we will write only the answers. Rajna Dasharathena Swaputraya Ramaya and Vanavasaha Kalpitaha Asit. So it goes like that without saying. For this answer, this is for the question Kasmai. Kasmai is Chaturthi. This is Chaturthi. This is Chaturthi. Swaputraya. So that the student should know it. The answer Swaputraya Ramaya. Where is the red one? This is good.
Yes.
I am writing answers in the red.
Okay.
Ramaya. Next. आंसर श्रीरामः केभ्यः दण्डं प्रदत्तवान् रक्षोभ्यः फोर्थ लाइन
हाँ निवसद्भ्यः
लंकायां निवसद्भ्यः श्रीरामः it goes like that श्रीरामः will take it as it is श्रीरामः now you tell me the answer from the book लंकायां निवसद्भ्यः निवसद्भ्यः नेक्स्ट
दुष्ट प्रकृतिभ्यः
प्रकृतिभ्यः
रक्षोभ्यः
then follows dandam etc etc such a big answer it is third one
अयोध्यावासिनः केभ्यः स्वागतं व्याकृतवन्तः
answer अयोध्यावासिनः
सीता लक्ष्मणाभ्यां सह
answer सीता
लक्ष्मणाभ्यां
सह सह not correct सीता oh no अयोध्यावासिनः केभ्यः चतुर्थी should be coming सीतायै भ्रातृभ्यां राम लक्ष्मणाभ्यां that is where is it where it is
next line sixth line
अस्मिन् एव दिने सीता राम लक्ष्मणाभ्यां सह अयोध्यां प्रवर्तितवान् शुभे अवसरे द्वाभ्यां you tell me that so this is not the answer द्वाभ्यां भ्रातृभ्यां सह सीतायै that is सीतायै that is following swagatam and how many words are there vantah okay right next fourth
दीपावल्याः अवसरे जनाः केभ्यः
दीपावल्याः अवसरे will take it as common swamitrebhyah so I am not writing that swamitrebhyah next swamitrebhyah ज्ञातिभ्यः बन्धुभ्यश्च ज्ञातिभ्यः बन्धुभ्यः बन्धुभ्यः सुहृद्भ्यश्च and the remaining stand same right next fifth
केभ्यः मधुरं रोचते fifth one शिशुभ्यः
the answer is शिशुभ्यः मधुरं रोचते is same next six
जनाः किम् उच्चार्य पूजनं कुर्वन्ति लक्ष्म्यै नमः गणपतये नमः
गणपतये नमः
Yes.
इति उच्चार्य follows. Next.
जनाः केभ्यः तर्पणम् अर्पयन्ति.
Acha, that we will have to take from the text only.
पूजकाः देवेभ्यः देवीभ्यश्च पुष्पाणि नैवेद्यानि अर्घ्यानि च समर्पयन्ति.
Where is it?
Yes, just below the
गणपतये
image.
भजनं कुर्वन्ति
Third
गणपतये.
paragraph, starting at the end.
Yeah, नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि. You tell me that.
पूजकाः
पूजकाः.
देवेभ्यः देवीभ्यः.
But here the question is जनाः.
Okay, जनाः देवेभ्यः.
And the answer should not begin with पूजका.
We have to change the question itself.
Question.
Yeah, we have to change it.
No, the question and itself is something defective as per the text. Let it be. We will take Pujaka is there in the text.
Yeah.
We will take that on answer. Pujakaah
देवेभ्यः देवीभ्यश्च
देवीभ्यश्च
पुष्पाणि
पुष्पाणि
नैवेद्यानि
नैवेद्यानि
अर्घ्यानि च
समर्पयन्ति. Question has samarpayanti?
No, अर्पयन्ति.
Arpayanti. You will write samarpayanti. This is the answer for seventh one, right? Eighth one.
देवाः केभ्यः स्पृहयन्ति.
So the answer is Deva.
पुष्पेभ्यः
पुष्पेभ्यः
नैवेद्येभ्यः
नैवेद्येभ्यः
अर्घ्येभ्यश्च
यश्च okay, take dash. Now we will pause for a while, let them see. The seventh question of the page 169, Abhyasa 73 has been, answer has been altered a bit. What you find in your question answer book, which is supplied to some of the students here who are watching our class, there different meaning answer is given. It is given Janaha Devebhyaha Rushibhyaha Pitrubhyaha Manushyebhyaha is also there. We will not take that in view of the text given to us. So I have given differently here. So how many more are there, Srinivas? 9, 15. So 5, 10, 7 are there. Another. Rajna Dasharatena Swaputraya Ramaya Vanavasah Kalpita Asid Sri Ramah Lankayam Nivasadbhyaha Dushta Prakrutibhyaha दुष्ट प्रकृतिभ्यः रक्षोभ्यः दंडं प्रदत्तवान् अयोध्यावासिनः केभ्यः स्वागतं व्याहृतवन्तः अयोध्यावासिनः सीतायै अयोध्यावासिनः द्वाभ्यां भ्रातृभ्यां सह सीतायै स्वागतं व्याहृतवन्तः केभ्यः should be replaced by the answer द्वाभ्यां भ्रातृभ्यां सह सीतायै. Fourth one, दीपावल्याः अवसरे जनाः केभ्यः उपहारं यच्छन्ति. So दीपावल्याः अवसरे is commonly taken स्वमित्रेभ्यः ज्ञातिभ्यः बन्धुभ्यश्च उपहारं यच्छन्ति. केभ्यः मधुरं रोचते. This is a short question. The answer is शिशुभ्यः मधुरं रोचते. जनाः किम् उच्चार्य पूजनं कुर्वन्ति. जनाः is commonly I have written also in black. जनाः लक्ष्म्यै नमः गणपतये नमः उच्चार्य पूजनं कुर्वन्ति. इति we can also take here इति नमः इति. I may add up इति. इति उच्चार्य पूजनं कुर्वन्ति. And seventh one, पूजकाः. So this is the correction we have made here. जनाः केभ्यः तर्पणम् अर्पयन्ति. We have made पूजकाः taken from the text. देवेभ्यः देवीभ्यः पुष्पाणि नैवेद्यानि अर्घ्यानि च समर्पयन्ति. Instead of tarpayanti we have arpayanti, we have samarpayanti from the text. Eighth one, देवाः केभ्यः स्पृहयन्ति. The answer is देवाः पुष्पेभ्यः नैवेद्येभ्यः अर्घ्येभ्यश्च स्पृहयन्ति. अर्घ्येभ्यः अर्घ्ये I have written अर्घ्ये. Any more अर्घ्य अर्घ्य अर्घ्यानि अर्घम अर्घे अर्घानि. अर्घ्येभ्यः. अरे why I have taken myself I am getting I wrote correctly and I have. First one is only correct. Down line I have to write. Okay, we'll go to the next. I have to wipe out. I advise the students to write on their own and then see for themselves whether they are correct or not. Try out on your own, replacing the Chaturthi from the text, from the answers provided in the Deepavali description. And then anyway I am giving you the, and you also, some of you, very few of you have the answers with you, answer book. You can look into that.
यजमानाः केभ्यः दक्षिणाः प्रददति
So Yajamanaha commonly then
पूजकेभ्यः
only one line. Yes, next.
ग्रामीणाः किमर्थं कुम्भकारस्य समीपं गच्छन्ति
So Graminaha will keep it there. Mrud
द्वीपेभ्यः
Mruddipebhyah and
नेक्स्ट ते किमर्थं विपणीं गच्छन्ति
ते किमर्थं विपणीं गच्छन्ति ते आंसर
वर्णमयीभ्यः सिक्त
स्वर्ण
वर्तिकाभ्यः
मयीभ्यः सिक्त
वर्तिकाभ्यः
विपणीं गच्छन्ति. Right, next.
विद्युदापणे किमर्थं सम्मर्दः भवति
विद्युदापणे
वर्णयुक्तेभ्यः विद्युद्दीपेभ्यः विद्युदापणे सम्मर्दः
वर्णयुक्तेभ्यः, that is विद्युदापणे. I am not writing that. With
वर्णयुक्तेभ्यः
युक्तेभ्यः
Yeah.
युक्तेभ्यः नेक्स्ट
विद्युद्दीपेभ्यः
दीपेभ्यः विद्युत् दीपेभ्यः. That's all.
Yes.
Follows. Right, next.
किशोराः केभ्यः स्पृहयन्ति
किशोराः, keep it as it is. What is the answer?
विलक्षणेभ्यः स्फोटनकेभ्यः
विलक्षणेभ्यः
स्फोटनकेभ्यः
स्फोटनकेभ्यः विशेषेण. Okay, विशेषेण is one answer is there, na? विशेषेण also is there, particularly. Next.
किशोराः पितरः केभ्यः स्फोटनकानि ददति
पितरः स्वसन्ततिभ्यः स्वसन्ततिभ्यः स्व one second. सन्ततिभ्यः स्फोटकानि, that follows. Next.
सर्वेभ्यः किमर्थं शुभेच्छाः ज्ञापयन्ति
Survey you can take it as sarvebhyah also you take as it is. So repeat the two words from the question. You can take sarvebhyah किमर्थं सुखाय समृद्धये च सुखाय समृद्धये च. follows. So this is the other 7 are पूजकेभ्यः. देवाः केभ्यः स्पृहयन्ति. No, 8th, 9th onwards. No? We have taken here. I have put not Roman letters here. यजमानाः केभ्यः दक्षिणाः प्रददति. यजमानाः पूजकेभ्यः दक्षिणां. Oh, दक्षिणां is there already. Yeah, you can copy it. दक्षिणाः प्रददति. ग्रामीणाः किमर्थं कुम्भकारस्य समीपं गच्छन्ति? For that answer, ग्रामीणाः मृद्दीपेभ्यः कुम्भकारस्य समीपं गच्छन्ति. ते किमर्थं विपणीं गच्छन्ति? ते here refers to the ग्रामीणाः, we have told you. So you can take te as it is in the answer of the 11th. ते स्वर्णमयीभ्यः सिक्तवर्तिकाभ्यः. I think Siktha is Mahaprana. Let me check.
Siktha, yes.
Yeah, Mahaprana it is. I wrote Alpa Prana. Siktha Vartikabhya. Vartikabhya is okay? The text? Not Dirgha. Oh. सिक्तवर्तिकाभ्यः सिक्तवर्तिकाभ्यः विपणीं गच्छन्ति. विद्युदापणे किमर्थं सम्मर्दः भवति? विद्युदापणे commonly you can take वर्णयुक्तेभ्यः विद्युद्दीपेभ्यः सम्मर्दः भवति. Then किशोराः केभ्यः स्पृहयन्ति. किशोराः you take as it is. विलक्षणेभ्यः स्फोटनकेभ्यः विशेषेण स्पृहयन्ति. And the 14th one, पितरः केभ्यः स्फोटकानि ददति. Whom do the parents give the firecrackers? So पितरः स्वसन्ततिभ्यः स्फोटकानि ददति. And the last one is सर्वेभ्यः किमर्थं शुभेच्छाः ज्ञापयन्ति. सर्वेभ्यः commonly taken सुखाय समृद्धये च शुभेच्छाः ज्ञापयन्ति. That is the end of this exercise writing, and we are moved to same exercise 2 number, part 2 of that 73 exercise. Srinivas. कोष्ठके लिखितानां पदानां चतुर्थ्यन्तरूपेण रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत. Now again fill in the blanks with the dative forms of the words given in the bracket. Now this is relatively a simple exercise. Okay, let us do. Janaah dash shubhakamanaah yachanti data. So all these words which are given in the brackets are supposed to be put in Chaturthi. We are practicing very in-depth, in detail Chaturthi Vibhakti actually. Janaah datre. Put data shabda in Chaturthi. Datre, datrubhyam, datrubhyah. Because data is singular given, you put it in singular Chaturthi ekavachana. Putri shatikam dadati. So, well, we have to explain the meaning also to the readers, listeners. Janaah datre shubhakamanaah yachanti. People gave good wishes to the donor on the Deepavali. Datre here is donor. Data is donor. Putri matre. Similarly, datre, matre both are same. Mata, mataro, mataraha. Mataram, mataro, matruhu. Matra, matrubhyam, matrubhihi. Matre, matrubhyam, matrubhyah. Matre. Datre, matre both are coming same way. Putri, matre for the mother to the mother. Daughter gives dadati. Kim dadati? Shatikam. Daughter gives a sari for her mother. That is for her mother. Matre chaturthi. Or you can put to the infinitive to her mother. Third one, Srinivas.
Bhaktaha bhanuhu arghyam dadati.
Bhaktaha.
Bhanave.
Put bhanu chaturthi. Bhanave arghyam dadati. The devotee offers oblation to the sun god. भानु हियर इज सूर्य, सूर्याय सवित्री अर्घ्यम ददाति, भक्तः भानवे अर्घ्यम ददाति। फोर्थ,
शिष्यः गुरुः दक्षिणां ददाति।
सो गुरु शिष्य, यस, गुरु शब्द चतुर्थी, वेरी इजी, गुरवे, immediately it will flash in mind, gurave namah, tasmai shri gurave namah। शिष्यः gurave dakshinam dadati, the student gives remuneration fee here, the student offers or gives remuneration or fee to the teacher, for the teacher, gurave dakshinam dadati। Fifth,
संस्कृत संभाषणं युवत्यः रोचते।
now here yuvatyah is plural, yuvati, yuvatyau, yuvatyah, yuvati shabda, yuvatihi, it is ikaranta only, yuvati, yuvati, matihi, mati, matayah, yuvati, yuvatyau, yuvatyah। संस्कृत संभाषणं युवतिभ्यः, युवतिभ्यः रोचते, that means young women like Sanskrit conversation, young women are fond of Sanskrit conversation। Okay, sixth,
अग्रजः भ्रातरः स्पृहयन्ति,
again plural, भ्रातरः, yes,
भ्रातृभ्यः,
भ्रातृभ्यः, भ्रात्रे भ्रातृभ्याम भ्रातृभ्यः, so भ्रातृभ्यः, अग्रजः भ्रातृभ्यः स्पृहयन्ति, I am sorry, स्पृहयति। So here the answer is a bit mistaken given, Srinivas, plural is given, we will write out that, so please correct the answer, verb answer of the verb, spruhayanti is plural, whereas the subject is singular, agrajaha, elder brother likes brothers. The meaning of this is elder brother, agrajaha is elder brother, likes the brothers, likes his brothers is the meaning. Agrajaha bhratrubhyah spruhayati, so don't take anti. Seventh,
विष्णुः नमः, विष्णवे नमः,
विष्णवे नमः, विष्णवे नमः, प्रभ विष्णवे, yes. Vishnu shabda, ukaranta pullinga shabda, put in chaturthi as Vishnave, Vishnuhu Vishnu Vishnavaha, Vishnum Vishnu Vishnun, Vishnuna Vishnubhyam Vishnuvihi Vishnave Namaha। Seventh, eighth,
लोकाः स्वस्ति, लोकेभ्यः,
लोकेभ्यः स्वस्ति, yes, लोकाय लोकाभ्याम लोकेभ्यः। लोक शब्द is akaranta pullinga shabda, lokah lokau lokaah, like devah devau devah। लोकेभ्यः स्वस्ति, well being for the worlds। Ninth,
दुर्जनः सज्जनाः क्रुध्यति,
so here is sajjana plural to be put in chaturthi bahuvachana। Durjanah sajjanebhyah krudhyati, a wicked man is angry with the good people, good persons, a wicked person is angry with the good। Durjanah sajjanebhyah krudhyati। Tenth,
शूर्पणखा सीता असूयति,
Sita shabda is akaranta strilinga shabda, so put in chaturthi ekavachana, Sita site sitaah, Sitam site sitaah, Sitaya sitabhyam sita bihi sitayai, only yai comes here। Shurpanakha Sitayai asuyati, Shurpanakha hates, is jealous of Sita, Shurpanakha Sitayai asuyati। 11th, 170,
जयद्रथः अभिमन्युः कुप्यति,
so put Abhimanyu in chaturthi as Abhimanyave, like ukaranta gurave। Jayadratha Abhimanyave kupyati, Jayadratha is angry with Abhimanyu। 12,
संस्कृतं भारतस्य अभिवृद्धिः
अस्ति, संस्कृतं भारतस्य अभिवृद्धये अस्ति। अभिवृद्धि is ikaranta strilinga shabda, mati like अभिवृद्धिः, अभिवृद्धि, अभिवृद्धयः, अभिवृद्धिम्, अभिवृद्धि, अभिवृद्धिः, अभिवृद्ध्या, अभिवृद्धिभ्याम, अभिवृद्धिभिः। 4 letters are there, therefore some pronouncing also becomes difficult. Abhivruddhaye. Abhivruddhaye asti. That means Sanskrit is for the development of India, for the upliftment of India. And 13, Bhashanam.
Bhashanam netaraha rochate.
So netaraha is put in plural, given prathama bahuvachana. Netrubhyah. Neta, netaro, netaraha prathama. Netaram, netaro, netrun dvitiya. Netra, netrubhyam, netrubhihi tritiya. Netre, netrubhyam, netrubhyah. Bhashanam netrubhyah rochate means leaders like speaking. Leaders, political leaders or leaders in society like speaking. Bhashanam netrubhyah rochate. And 14.
Karyam karyakartaraha rochate.
Karyakartara is again plural here. Coming from karyakartru shabda, rukaranta. Karyakarta, karyakartaro, karyakartaraha. Karyakartaram, karyakartaro, karyakartrun. Karyakartra, karyakartrubhyam, karyakartrubhihi. Karyakartre, karyakartrubhyam, karyakartrubhyah. Karyam karyakartrubhyah rochate means workers like work. Workers, party workers here in Indian scenario, party workers, political party workers like work, or any worker for that matter. And the last one.
Pipilika madhu spruhayati.
Pipilika, ant, madhu, honey, spruhayati, likes. Pipilika madhune, put madhu is ukaranta napumsakalinga shabda. Madhu, madhuni, madhuni, madhu, madhuni, madhuni, madhuna, madhubhyam, madhubihi, madhune, madhubhyam, madhubhyah. Since madhu is given in ekavachana prathama, chaturthi, if it is put, when it is put, it becomes madhuni. Pipilika madhune spruhayati. An ant is fond of honey. So this is how I think we will write this. Shall we go to the third and fourth are also there? Oh, no, it's a very big lesson. 5 there. What do you think? Shall we finish writing this? Answers?
Yes.
15 are there, we can write comfortably.
Just write only answers.
Only answers only. 15 words.
Yeah.
Oh, Abhyasa is same, only part 2 is now it is taking much time. Unnecessarily erased. This is part 2. And Roman one. That we will write Roman now.
Janaha datre.
I will write only black. Achanti, right. 2.
Putri matre.
Matre. Okay.
Bhaktah bhanave.
Bhanave.
Arghyam dadati. Shishyah
Yes.
gurave dakshinam dadati.
Next.
संस्कृत संभाषणम युवत्ये
युवतिभ्यः
युवतिभ्यः
Next.
अग्रजः भ्रातृभ्यः स्पृहयति.
Ah, that is, they will take. Oh, here the verb is also to be. Please check the verb is singular. So I am writing here. 7.
Vishnave Namaha.
Where is? Oh, Vishnave should be. Namah, right.
लोकेभ्यः स्वस्ति.
Swasti.
दुर्जनः सज्जनेभ्यः
Verb you take it as it.
शूर्पणखा सीतायै
सीतायै असूयति. सीतायै चतुर्थी. असूयति.
जयद्रथः
अभिमन्यवे
कुप्यति.
कुप्यति. Right, next.
संस्कृतं भारतस्य
अभिवृद्धये अभिवृद्धये. Next.
भाषणं नेतृभ्यः
नेतृभ्यः रोचते. रोचते. कार्यकर्तृभ्यः रोचते. Next 15.
पिपीलिका मधुने स्पृहयति.
Oh, these are the answers. Dhatu Shabda is Rukaranta, Matru is Rushi Rukaranta, Bhanu is Ukaranta, Guru is Ukaranta, Yuvati is Ikaranta, Bhratru is Rukaranta, Vishnu is Ukaranta Pullinga, Loka is Akaranta Pullinga, Sajjana is Akaranta Pullinga, Sita Shabda is Akaranta Strilinga, therefore fourth. Abhimanyu is Ukaranta, Abhivruddhi is Ikaranta Strilinga, Netrubhyaha, Netru Shabda Rukaranta, Karyakartru is also Rukaranta, Madhu is Ukaranta, Napumsakalinga Shabda. This is the one only neuter given in the end of the exercise 2. So, in the third, this 73 Abhyasa comes to an end with 2 more, I think, 3, 4, 5. 3 more exercises are there. Parts of the exercise 73 Abhyasa. 2 parts are done today, and third one will take up. Adho nirdishta padanam trishu vachaneshu dhatu rupani likhata. Now you have to write, the word is given in Prathama Ekavachana, and you are supposed to write nominative. Prathama Ekavachana is given, you are supposed to derive Chaturthi in all the numbers, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. For example, Udaharana, Mahati Ikaranta Shabda like Nadi becomes Mahatyai, Nadyai, Mahatibhyam, Nadibhyam, Mahatibhyah, Nadibhyah. If you know Nadi Shabda, you can derive any Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Next, Srinivas, Bhrata. What is the Anta? Rukaranta. Bhratru Shabda, Prathama Ekavachana Bhrata, Bhratre, Bhratrubhyam, Bhratrubhyah. And mind you, Srinivas and all those who are watching, Bhyam, Bhyaha, always coming in the dual number and plural number. For all the nouns and pronouns. Bhyam always comes in dual number, third, Trutiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Bhyam, 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 repeated 3 times. Bhyaha, Bhyaha comes in fourth plural and as well as fifth plural when we go to the Panchami. So that you have to bear in mind. Second, Ekaki.
Ekakyai.
So Ekaki is basically what? Ikaranta Shabda, just like Mahati. Ekakyai, Ekakibhyam, Kakibhyaha. Here 3 letters are there. Ekakibhyaha. Ekaki means alone. Bandhuhu.
Bandhave.
Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda. It is Ukaranta Pullinga like Guru. Bandhave, Bandhubhyam, Bandhubhyaha. Bandhave, it go way takes here. Chaturthi. Fourth one. Suhrut. This is Dakaranta Shabda. Suhrut. Suhrut, Suhrudau, Suhrudaha. In Prathama Suhrut. Then in Chaturthi, Suhrude, de, not Suhrude, Suhrudbhyam, Suhrudbhyaha. Suhrud meaning a friend. Fifth. Shishu is Ukaranta Purlinga Shabda. Like Guru, Shambhu, Shishave, Shishubhyam, Shishubhyaha, Shishu, child. Shishu is infant or child. Sixth, Tat. Dakaranta, Saha Tauti, Takaranta, Tam Tautan, Dakaranta, Tat Shabda. This is, no, this is actually Dakaranta, it is called. Tad Shabda, Tad. In Napumsakalinga, it is Tat. Now here it is Napumsakalinga. The ending, it is called Dakaranta only. Tad Shabda, Tad, Etad, Yad, these are all pronouns. So Tat is Napumsakalinga of that. Tad becomes Saha in Prathama, Pullinga. Tad means demonstrative pronoun we studied. Tad becomes Saha, Tau, Te, Tam, Tau, Tan. Now this is not like a noun. This is a pronoun, totally changing. So Tat is Napumsakalinga. Therefore he wants you to derive a Napumsakalinga and Pullinga both are same. If you take Tad in Pullinga, Saha Taute Tam Tautan, Tena Tabhyam Taihi, Tasmai Tabhyam Tebhyaha. Tasmai Tabhyam Tebhyaha is commonly for Napumsakalinga also. So we take Tat, Tasmai Tabhyam Tebhyaha, but not for Strilinga. If Tat were to be given in Strilinga, if supposing Tat bracket, if we give Strilinga, Tasyai Tabhyam Tabhyaha, it becomes Tasyai, Namastasyai, Namastasyai. Tasyai is Strilinga, Tasmai is Pullinga and Napumsakalinga also. Next, seventh. Sarva Shabda is Sarvanama Shabda, everyone. So it is Sarva Shabda, Sarvasmai, here also Sarvasmai, Sarvabhyam, Sarvabhyaha, it becomes Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyaha, sorry, Sarvebhyaha. Sarvasmai, Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyaha. Sarvebhyaha. Akaranta.
Pullinga.
Yeah, it is Pullinga. Sarva Shabda is Akara, but it is Pullinga, but it is also in Strilinga, na? Sarva Shabda. Basically, a pronoun is Akaranta. Linga wise it changes.
Here it is mentioned, Visarga is there, no?
Visarga, therefore it is Pullinga. If only Sarva is given, then we have to derive in Napumsaka. Sarva, Sarvani, 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 Rupani, Sarvani, Pustakani. Sarva, Sarve, Sarvani, Sarva, Sarve, Sarvani, Sarvena, Sarvabhyam, Sarvaihi, Sarvasmai, Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhya. Like that. What is eighth?
Dasharathihi.
This is Ikaranta. This is Ikaranta like Kavi. Dasharathaye, Dasharatibhyam, Dasharatibhyaha. Rakshaha. This is Rakshas Shabda. रक्षः रक्षः रक्षसि रक्षांसि रक्षसा रक्षसे दिस इज नपुंसकलिंग शब्द रक्षस सकारांत रक्षः रक्षसि रक्षांसि रक्षः रक्षसि रक्षांसि रक्षसा रक्षोभ्यां रक्षोभिः रक्षसे रक्षोभ्यां रक्षोभ्यः अंडरस्टैंड रक्षसा तृतीय वी आर डूइंग चतुर्थी ना रक्षसे मनसे लाइक मनसे मनोभ्यां मनोभिः मनोभ्यः लाइक दैट रक्षसे रक्षोभ्यां रक्षोभ्यः दिस इज सकारांत नपुंसकलिंग शब्द
How to identify between Napumsaka and Pullinga?
now your doubt is genuine rakshah and sarvah both look like now that comes by study and you have to know like manah if it is given here below rakshah it also looks like pullinga shabda but one should know by practice and by literature application of literature manas shabda is sakaranta shabda it takes visarga in prathama therefore it looks like pullinga shabda that is it gnatihi any relative kinsman ikaranta pumlinga shabda like kavi gnatibhyah gnatyai gnatihi gnatyai oh just a minute gnatihi should be pullinga only gnataye ज्ञातये ज्ञातिभ्यां ज्ञातिभ्यः कवये कविभ्यां कविभ्यः लक्ष्मीः ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द दिस इज लक्ष्म्यै लक्ष्मीभ्यां लक्ष्मीभ्यः सो इन लक्ष्मी ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग दिस इज एन एक्सेप्शनल वन लाइक महती यू सी द एग्जांपल गिवन हियर एकाकी दे आर आल्सो ईकारांतास बट दिस इज ए स्पेशल विशेषण शब्द व्हिच अट्रैक्ट्स visarga in prathama ekavachana you have visarga here whereas mahati and ekaki nadi don't get nadi also nadihi we don't say if you put nadihi it may become dvitiya bahuvachana nadi nadyau nadyah nadim nadyau nadihi so this is ekavachana lakshmihi lakshmyau etc lakshmyah lakshmyai lakshmibhyam lakshmibhyah yes कर्ता कर्तृ ऋकारांत ऋषि ऋकार कर्त्रे कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभ्यः कर्ता इज ए डूअर एनी एजेंट पुल्लिंग शब्द पुल्लिंग कर्तृ लाइक भर्तृ एटसेट्रा मात पितृ ऑल दैट भ्रातृ धातृ कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः प्रथमा वुड बी कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः तस्य कर्तारमहं so many places you get in Gita and other places कर्ता स्वस्रु now रुकारंत शब्द सकम this is feminine स्त्रीलिंग शब्द स्वस्रु becomes swasa sister स्वस्रे स्वस्रे स्वस्रुभ्याम स्वस्रुभ्यः and दीपावली is ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द दीपावल्यै दीपावलीभ्याम दीपावलीभ्यः any more no more so 14 are given here earlier 15 were given now here what rukarantas are dominated here and also some napumsakalinga shabdas we will write out in notes. So point 3 now same abhyasa. No, 14 only. 14.
This time it is three words we have to adjust.
Not one word. Acha, okay, ekavachana dvivachana bhava. So if I write font change, let us see, small font. Which pen now? Blue? 0.3. Roman?
Yes.
Okay.
Bhratre.
Okay, this size. See in the camera, monitor, bigger. What's in this? How is the size?
No problem.
No problem. Okay.
Ekakye. Ekakibhyam. Ekakibhyam.
Bandhave. Bandhubhyam. So you can see bhyam everywhere coming. Bhyaha also repeated in the. Suhrude, friend. Suhrudbhyah.
Shishave. Shishubhyam.
Shishubhyah. Tasmai. Shiksha. Tasmai. Tabhyam. Tebhyah. Sarvasmai. Sarvabhyam. Yes.
Dasharatihi.
Dasharataye. Dasharati means here son of Dasharatha, Rama. This refers to Lord Rama. Dasha. Next. Rakshase. Rakshobhyam. Akshobhyah. Let them watch for a while. Let us write small. How many are there? One more. You can write 9, 10. 10th also you can write Gnati, Gnataye, Gnatibhyam, Gnatibhyah. 10th I will finish. Gnataye, Gnatibhyah. How many left? 4. 4 I can write out there. Yes. 10, 11. What is it, Srinivas? Lakshmi. Lakshmibhyam. कर्त्रे कर्तृभ्याम स्वस्रे स्वस्रुभ्यः. Last one. 14th. This let them watch. Meanings we have explained, huh? Yes. भ्रात्रे भ्रातृभ्याम भ्रातृभ्यः, एकाक्यै एकाकीभ्याम एकाकीभ्यः, बन्धवे बन्धुभ्याम बन्धुभ्यः, सुहृदे सुहृद्भ्याम सुहृद्भ्यः, शिशवे शिशुभ्याम शिशुभ्यः, तस्मै ताभ्याम तेभ्यः. Oh, there is one mistake. सर्वस्मै रकार. सर्वस्मै सर्वाभ्याम सर्वेभ्यः दाशरथये दाशरथये रामाय दाशरथिभ्यः. But how many Ramas? No, not like that. It's a derivative. रक्षसे रक्षोभ्याम रक्षोभ्यः, ज्ञातये ज्ञातिभ्याम ज्ञातिभ्यः, लक्ष्म्यै लक्ष्मीभ्याम लक्ष्मीभ्यः, कर्त्रे कर्तृभ्याम कर्तृभ्यः, स्वस्रे स्वस्रुभ्याम स्वस्रुभ्यः, दीपावल्यै दीपावलीभ्याम दीपावलीभ्यः. I think the rest we will take in the next class. Shubham Bhuyat.